The Zonesun ZS-AFC60 is an automatic nasal spray filling and capping machine designed for pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and medical liquid packaging. With a capacity of up to 1,200 bottles per hour, it integrates bottle and feed, dual head filling, cap feeding, cap placing, and capping into one compact system. Equipped with a vibratory bowl feeder, star wheel positioning, and high accuracy filling control, it ensures clean, precise, and stable dosing for nasal spray bottles ranging from 10 to 200 milliliters. Its synchronized motion, reliable sealing performance, and customizable voltage options make it ideal for small to medium-scale production lines requiring high hygiene and precision.